It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2024 Maverick LARIAT in Oxford white with the ebony and desert brown interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 4-foot box that has a spray-in liner. You also have a trailer tow hitch, reverse camera, sliding rear window, and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out.
This is a 2-liter EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's all-wheel drive. Let's have a look inside.
Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar all-weather mats with the Maverick badging. And then you have the integrated turn signal, trailer brake controller, I should say, sorry, and you have the high mount light and lighting controls. As well, on the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and lane keeping, and we also have our volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start, so foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. Any important messages are going to be on the screen along with the menu and the odometer reading, so we can go in there and you can choose the different options, and they all have sub-menus. In the center we have our display screen, so right now we have sources. You can see the audio is highlighted, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. We also have navigation, and that'll give us the map. You can choose your destination, and then settings. And so the settings, you have different options you can slide through. They have sub-menus as well. This is just a protective cover. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So green, yellow, red, just how close other objects or vehicles are. The white lines are showing us where we're going as we turn the steering wheel, and there's our center line. Going to put us back into park, volume and tuner, and your hazard lights, and dual climate control and dual heated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. There's your fan, AC and max AC, heated side view mirrors, and front defrost. And then down below, a little cubby where you can put things, and a wireless charging pad. And you also have your dial shifter, electronic parking brake, traction control, auto hold, so if you're on an incline or towing, you would use that. Auto stop start for less idle time, and your drive mode. So you press on that, you're gonna see it on your dash, and then you just keep pressing. So it goes normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, sport, and then back to normal. So depending on the road conditions and weather conditions, you would use your drive modes to get more or less traction or control. Got a little cubby down there, and you notice it's got a tab. You can take it out and clean it, and your armrest opens up. Lots of room in there. Glove compartment off to the side. Manually dimming rear view mirror. You've got your lighting controls, as well as your sunglass holder and grab handle in the body. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The backup camera's below the Ford badge, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper, a trailer tow package, as well as 4 and 7-pin connector. And then you can just open up the handle and the tailgate by just pulling that. Nice spray-in liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have an outlet located there. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Spray-in line box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.